Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to optimize your images for WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you want to go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. So you can get started creating your account if you do not already have one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where we can now get started managing our website with all the sections we can find, such as host, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how do you optimize images. Basically, guys, you optimize the media that you're uploading to your WordPress website. As you can see, once I open up media right here, I can get started with adding new media. I can add via URL, add it from my PC, uploaded, and so on. We can get started optimizing the media to appear in the best possible way in our website. Here, as you can see on the hosting your website, we can see how to optimize images for WordPress. Basically, guys, before you start any of the steps, you're going to need a hosting platform, something like Hostinger or similar that you want to use, that's going to enable you to get the best media quality you can for your website. So you can see now you can go ahead and follow some of the steps right here that you can find why it's important to open up. So basically, guys, you want to serve images through a CDN. This is going to go ahead and be one of the methods you can use. So you can use some of the panels that are provided by Hostinger to use this option. You can compress your WordPress images into smaller size using online compress options. They are going to enable you to compress those images and resize them however you want to appear better on your website. And you can clean up your WordPress media library. So if you have too much media on your website in one page and so on, it's going to slow up your website and make other media look worse. So you want to keep in mind you should only have media that you really need on your website. So basically, those are some of the steps you can follow. You can go ahead and find this thread for even more steps to see how it works and what you can follow to get the best possible option for your website. So that's how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.